You got it.
Yeah. I don't know if I can not.
Watch out for that label on the...
Delivery for Mr. Flaherty?
Oh, what the...
Yo, dude, what's up?
So speaking of giving away a free thing, you know, if you want to get a free $5, we have just the way for you to do that.
Go to privacy.com/ToastyBros. Free $5. Link in the description down below. Now let's get into today's video, shall we?
Alright guys, so aside from our normal video style, we have something a little bit different. We're giving our buddy Casey a computer setup.
So this computer is one we just built on the channel. If you hit the I in the top right corner, you can check that video out. But Jackson came to me with this idea because our friend that we've known for a really long time loved to play games when he was younger and really hasn't had a chance to get a new gaming PC to be able to play games again. And he was planning on building one, but he just never had the money to actually do it. And we were looking at this PC, and because of you guys, the channel has been growing a lot recently, so big thanks to you. And we thought this would be a great opportunity to give him basically a full starter setup as kind of like a good gift for the start of the holiday season.
So a little background on Casey. He's our really good friend. He's actually a realtor now, and he's doing pretty good. You know, he has his own little crib and everything, but you know what it's lacking? It's lacking a computer. He has a computer desk, and he's been ready for a computer for a while, but he's got to pay big boy bills and everything. So I understand a computer is not first priority, but we're gonna make it his first priority. So, you know, Casey's kind of the reason why this channel started. Matt, you know, the guy holding the camera right here, my co-founder, he actually used to have a channel that was fairly big back in the day. It had like 900 subs. It was, it's called Pika Boy. Well, anyways, Casey did this really funny video, and it got the channel deleted. We're not gonna talk about details, but it got the channel deleted, and so a few years later, Matt and I had like a ton of other channels, and finally Toasty Bros was born. So, you know, we can kind of give Casey a little bit of credit, because if the stars hadn't aligned, this channel might not be, you know, successful like it is. But yeah, we're trying to give back to him for that. Now, really though, he was a really good friend growing up, and he played a lot of games with us, so we want to get him back into that. So let's go over some of the parts that we have. This is a really basically $400 computer. This is a Ryzen 1600, which is a 6-core 12-thread. We have an RX 580. We have it on a really nice MSI B450 motherboard, and then we have it in a Sama RGB case. So it does come out to be about $400, which isn't super insane. It's actually a really good budget build for having 12 logical cores technically. But this is a really good starter build, and this should last him a while. He's not looking to play any crazy games. He really likes Overwatch. He really likes TF2, and he likes other games that are like that. He's not trying to play insane titles like Call of Duty and whatnot. But even then, this computer could probably run those just fine, and just probably have to lower the settings a little bit.
And what PC is not complete without a set of peripherals? So this is the Red Dragon peripheral set that comes with a mechanical keyboard, headset, mouse, and mouse pad. This thing was actually featured in one of our setup videos, if we can get that, in the top right corner. But it comes with the blue switches. It's like your typical mechanical keyboard. Nothing too fancy, but the fact that it is an all-in-one combo makes it perfect to give to him with this PC. And well, he can't actually use this PC unless he has a monitor, which we have right here. This is a 24-inch 144 hertz 1080p monitor. This monitor is going to be great for gaming, and also it's a decent monitor with good color accuracy because he's planning on eventually making videos for his real estate business. So that could be something that if you wanted to upgrade in the future, you could get another monitor for more productivity. But this monitor has some good color reproduction, so you really shouldn't have any problems with that. And overall, this setup, I would say probably valued at about like $600–700, is going to make a great entry-level option for him. And why don't we go ahead and just cut to the point where we go give this to him. All right, guys, today is the day. It's actually been a couple of days since we recorded that last section, but we're actually gonna go ahead and start delivering the computer setup to our friends. So let's go ahead and make that happen. All right, we got a tripod in hand. We're gonna go ahead and start grabbing some stuff. I think I can give you this. Hey,
oh, they talk about food too.
It's very festive here at Toasty Bros HQ already. Look at that, holiday season cheer. So here at Toasty Bros HQ, we don't know how to park.
When you drive a big truck, you can park wherever you want.
Yeehaw, brother.
There goes the glass.
I'll get the tripod right and snug by me.
Tripping.
There it is. We locked and loaded.
Do this.
How do you feel being like Mr. Beast? Like,
dude, it feels good to be a giving spirit.
Giving spirits, the holiday season.
Yep.
You know? Yeah, we're on our way. It's like a really quick drive. It's like literally right down the street. So, yeah, you all can't see where we are, but oh God, it's like really bright. All right, so we
All right, so we're here.
Yeah,
we're whispering because we don't want to We want him to know.
Yeah, so.
But we're gonna go ahead and get the camera set up. I got his girlfriend in on this, so they answered the door, and we'll see how this goes.
All right, so hopefully this works out. We're trying to get this on the tripod and be as sneaky as possible if, you know.
Oh, to make it even better, he thinks that he's getting a delivery because his parents are in the Philippines, so, you know, that excuse didn't work. He's gonna be getting a delivery, and it's gonna be a good one.
You got it. I'm thinking like on the stairs. That label on the Red Dragon box.
Delivery for Mr. Flaherty?
Oh, what the?
Yo, dude, what's up?
Oh, God.
We got you a little something,
Hi.
man.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay. I just saw Matt the other day.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was coming in.
There's a bunny rabbit, too.
Oh, man.
How's it going, bro?
Man, hey.
Say hi to the internet,
Hi.
dude.
Okay.
Nice monitor.
Oh, you want
You
to
got
take
all
my
of it,
life
dude.
away?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you're going to take my life away. Oh.
So that's a, what is that, a 24-inch curved monitor?
Yes. 24
What?
high refresh rate monitor with a gaming keyboard, mouse, and headset, and a
There's like
computer.
RGB and shit, you know?
Thanks for the drop off, the delivery. God. Oh, my God. Well.
I know you wanted that computer a while back, and,
Oh, man.
you know, figured why not a free one, right?
Oh, is this? Oh, my
Yeah, no,
God.
you're not
this is-
paying for it, buddy.
This is for you. This is free, dude. It's all for you.
Oh, God.
He's over here like, God damn, how much is this about to cost me?
Dang. I love you guys.
No, I'm just kidding. It's $1,000, dude.
Oh, man. Thank you.
No problem,
so
man.
much, man.
It's an early Christmas, you know?
Early Christmas gift.
Early Christmas.
Well, now I gotta get you all back. So.
Yeah. So you're never going to see Casey.
I
again.
know.
Yeah.
This is his life.
I'll just be here.
I
so.
know. That is awesome.
But yeah, it'll be good for editing and shit too, you know, to do your
bro.
YouTube channel.
You're the man. You're the man. I need to start recording. Yeah.
And if you ever want a camera, we're probably going to be selling one of these soon.
Oh, well.
If you want a good deal
Let
on
me
it.
know. Let me know. Yeah, let
We
me
can
know.
talk later, yeah.
Guys.
You know what we totally forgot? A power cord.
You know what, dude? You just have to look at it.
Hey, man.
You
I
Just
don't even have any games to play.
Do you have one of those power cords? It's like the
Oh,
really
it's fine.
generic, like, you know, the 3-prong one that like every computer
Yeah,
and like
yeah.
laptop
I probably do
uses.
have one laying around.
So if you need one, I can bring one by later. It's kind of funny that we like totally forgot
Oh, I
that.
did not expect these guys. What the heck?
I know.
What the heck? Why didn't you tell me those? Oh my gosh. Huge shout out to the boys, Matt and Jackson with the Toasty Bros. They just hooked me up with this amazing free gaming setup. Just surprised me. I just can't even. Oh my God. What the hell? What the heck? What the heck? This thing is curved.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, that went very well.
Better than we thought. You know, no one died, no one tripped over any cords or anything. Except we did forget the power cord. That's a little embarrassing, but he thinks he has one, so yeah.
But yeah, guys, that about wraps this video up. Let's do the outro. Woo! So we tend to spend our money a bit recklessly when it comes to buying PC parts, from sketchy CPUs off AliExpress to power supplies off eBay that could be considered time bombs to some people. But one thing we don't like to be reckless with is our banking information, and that is where today's video sponsor, Privacy, comes in.
Privacy allows you to mask your bank information behind a virtual credit card that you can set spending limits on and even lock to specific vendors like Amazon, Newegg, and even AliExpress. Setting up a privacy card is very easy as well. All you need to do is create an account, link a bank account or a credit card, and click New Card to generate a card that fits your needs. Privacy is now introducing different plans. You can still use the free version that gives you up to 12 cards per month, but they also offer a pro version for $10 a month that gives you up to 36 cards and 1% cash back on all your purchases. And if you happen to own a small business, you could pay $25 a month for the Teams version that gives you up to 60 cards a month and also that 1% cash back with detailed tracking of spending. So, not sure if we mentioned this, but the best part here is we're giving our viewers a free $5. Yeah, free $5 to buy whatever you want. Just sign up and create a card. That's all you gotta do. Just make sure you link your bank, and there you go, $5. Who doesn't love free money, right? All you have to do is go to privacy.com/toastybros and sign up today. And thanks again to Privacy for making today's video possible. Go get yourself some free monies. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more content Mr. Beast like, let us know in the comments down below. Not for you though. Maybe for you guys. You never know. Alright, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye!